Guys, it's Anthony D from RC Experience here, and thanks so much for stopping by today. Today's video is the consolation draw for the new forest green 110 scale canoe. Alright, and we do have 7 members of the RC Experience community that have confirmed they are in the draw, and we do have definitely new products and prizes coming up. So let's finish this one off. So over here we do have 7 finalists. Alright, so let's go. Number 1, Josh Hanna. Number 2, Raymond. Number 3, Richard from 2RC Productions. Number 4, Slipknot. Number 5, Chris Herb. Number 6, Mr. Copens. And number 7, Ramsey RC. Hopefully I pronounced everyone's name correctly. And you know I love you guys. Since we've mentioned all the confirmed members here that are in this draw, let's take it to the true random number generator. Okay, and let's change this number 100 to 7 lucky guys at the end of this draw. And we will generate the winner of the new brand new canoe, 110 scale, great addition to any YouTube channel. Join the club. This is the winner in 3, 2, 1, go. Number 3, Richard, 2RC Productions, man, you did it. You won the green canoe for your stuff. Right on, man. Send me your info, private me on Google+. We'll correspond and get this right out to you, man. Number 3, 2RC Productions wins the canoe. Awesome, man. Hey, Richard, get back to me. Send me your info so I can get this canoe right out to you. Great addition for your upcoming growing channel on YouTube, man. Thanks so much for being a very active member, too, in the RC Experience community. All right, guys. All right. A couple days away, and the new giveaway is listed soon. Open to all members. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hey, man, share your stuff. It's awesome. Have a great day.